How to download Chrome on PC. Need a faster browser? Let's walk through how to download Google Chrome on your PC step by step. So open your current browser and then go ahead and type in google.com/Chrome. And this will take you into this page. So in this page, click on the download button to start downloading the Chrome executable file. Choose the version for Windows or Mac depending on your laptop. Once downloaded, open the installer file. On Windows, it's Chrome setup.exe. Double-click to start installation. Allow permissions if asked. Chrome will install automatically in just a few minutes. After installation, Chrome opens automatically. If not, find it on your start menu and click to launch. You'll be asked if you want Chrome as your default browser. Click yes if you want all links to open in Chrome.